Isang pinagpalang araw po sa inyong lahat, Atomians. And as well as hello to those who are in Baguio and also all those who are in Cebu. So hello po dyan. And those watching in our Facebook and as well as in our YouTube channel. Alright? So hello po dyan sa lahat. So let me introduce myself. See, I am Nori Magsingit, Sharon Rose Master from Fairview Lagro Center. So this afternoon, I have the privilege to introduce a couple of our products meticulously crafted to embody the Atomist guiding principle, absolute quality and absolute price. So we are proud to be the only company bold enough to declare that our Atomy products are truly absolute in quality and absolute in price, right? Yes. Okay, so the foundation of our Atomy products is the concept of masstige. Though this world is a fusion of mass, meaning product accessible to every consumer. So kanino daw? All consumers. And who are the consumers? We, us. Okay. And prestige is the products of high quality comparable to the luxurious brands. So Atomy bridges the two words, delivering prestige and excellent at prices that masses can afford. Meaning, kaya natin itong bilhin, right? Okay, so today, I am honored to present to you our flagship product, Himuhim, and our uniquely formulated vitamin C or the color food vitamin C. So these two products are not just items as the shelves, but they are a solution designed to uplift our health. So uplift our health, vitality, and living while staying with us healthy. So through Atomy promise of absolute quality and absolute price, magiging healthy tayo. Right, so let us begin by looking at the silent battle. So may battle daw sa katawan natin at sa buhay natin. Chronic fatigue is a deep exhaustion that lingers, draining our energy and weakening our defenses. Active oxygen there, think of them as a rust forming inside our body. Stress, sino walang stress? Lahat tayo, right? Pollution, okay? So poor diet, yan, di ba? This fuels this rust, okay? And damaging our cells and speeding up aging. Kaya tignan mo yung katabi mo, uy, bakit kaya mas mukhang matanda siya kaysa sa age niya, di ba? Right? Kaya kailangan uminom ng Himuhim para hindi magmukhang matanda, right? So immune function with our immunity is weak and even small challenges like colds or stress, di ba? So they all knock down us, our body. Di ba pag sinisipon ka, inuubo ka, ano nangyayari? Mahina katawan ko, di ba? Immunity then is the foundation of our health. And obesity, tignan mo kaliwat kanan mo, obese ba siya? Ay, hindi naman. It is not just about weight, but it is about inflammation and fatigue and a cycle. So, weight, mataba siya or obese siya because of the fatigue and a cycle. And this weaken further our immunity. So these four battles are real, but with the right products and lifestyle, we can raise above them. So kaya nating labanan, right? Okay, so zooming on fatigue, we can attribute it to stress, poor diet, di ba? Instant. Mahilig tayo sa instant, di ba? Instant food. And as well as infections, medications. We drink a lot of synthetic medicine. Sleepless night. Ayaw mong matulog, di ba? Okay, so kailangan din bigyan mo ng at least 8 hours. And even aging, all those things pile up. Nagpa-pile up siya. And fatigue is more than tiredness, is actually the bodies are needing help. So sabi niya, kailangan ko na ng help because of the things that you're doing. And how does fatigue show itself? Ayan, makikita nyo. Muscle pain, di ba? Mararanasan mo yan. Ang sakit naman, di ba? Ng muscle ko. Indigestion, di ba? Hindi ako natutunawan. Frequent colds. Lagi na lang akong nagkakasakit, inuupo, sinisipon. Forgetfulness. Ay, makakalimutin. Di ba? So, again, headache. Lagi may headache. Di ba? Hair loss. O, tingnan mo yung katabi mo. Uy, may hair loss ka, maghimuhim ka na. Di ba? Even waking up tired after sleep. Right? So, minsan natulog ka na, and yet, when you wake up, you still feel tired. Right? So, it then clouds our minds. It weakens our immunity and still our body. So, it's like driving through fog when suddenly you can see clearly and every step feel heavy. All right. So, now, let's see a bigger picture. Okay, in the Philippines. So last year, the top causes of death is the heart disease. Okay, followed by the cancer, stroke, pneumonia, and diabetes. And these are all attributed because of the fatigue, and that fatigue attributed now to the sickness. All right? So this sickness now turn down your immune system. These are not random, but are linked to lifestyle. Yung ginagawa mo sa buhay mo ngayon, inflammation weakened our immunity. So, fatigue, oxidative stress, which is very natural, okay, and obesity, okay, feed directly into this condition. And please take note of this, okay? Research shows that COVID, okay, left scars on our immune system, okay? Ano ba yung scar na yan? Okay, the bone marrow was reprogrammed. Yung pag-produce ng blood natin ay na-reprogram because of the COVID. The T cells become exhausted and they are the one who kills our cytotoxic cells. Pero napagod din sila because of the COVID. The dormant viruses reactivated and antibody response weakened. So even the D cells, the B cells becomes weakened because of the COVID. That's why, di ba napansin nyo, nung nagka-COVID ako, bakit ngayon hinihingal na ako? Nung nagka-COVID ako, bakit madali akong mapagod? Because that's the scar that the COVID have brought to us. Okay? So even after recovery, many are left vulnerable, fatigued, and inflamed. So, but why is immunity? It is what is immunity? Immunity, it is actually our body's defense system. Okay, it is the one that shields and protects us from external threats. And there's a lot of external threats that I've mentioned a while ago. And we have to find, we have the innate immunity and we have the adaptive immunity. The innate is that pag lumabas yung baby, meron siyang tinatawag na natural immunity. That's why the baby, napansin nyo, hindi siya injectionan after 2.5 months. And after 2.5, because of the innate or the natural immunity that is within her, or him, or the baby. But for the adaptive, it is the acquired immunity. So the acquired immunity then, ito po yung na-expose ka sa virus, tapos in-injectionan ka, di ba? So yan po yun, yung mga German measles, ayan. So yun po yung adaptive, nag-a-adapt siya, or what we call as the passive immunity. So our natural killer cells are the lymphocytes. So they are the one who destroy the microorganism. And the macrophages, which is in the innate, they are the one who engulf the pathogens. Di parang Pac-Man, di ba may kumakain din sa loob ng katawan natin? So they're really in a battle, right? And there is also the release of the cytokines, which is the messenger. Pag hindi na kayang talunin si pathogens, ang gagawin ni cytokines, magsasend siya ng message, mag-produce ka ng marami pang mga fighter cells. Okay? And then, i-activate niya si B cells as well as T cells. So So B cells now produce antibodies for our fighters, where T cells is the helpers that directly kill the identified toxic cells. So the human body is always in a battle, right? Paglabas mo pa lang, natutulog ka, you're always in a battle. Yung human body mo, there are a lot of pathogens invading in our body. Okay, that's why we have to know this, that the human body produces around approximately 330 billion new cells per day. Imagine, 3.8 new cells per second. Nakaupo ka dyan, nagpo-produce lang body mo ng mga cells. 90% of the blood cells and others are from the gut. That's why we called it our second brain. So you have to be careful on your gut, right? 1 million cells died every seconds, right? At 40s, sino yung mga 40-year-old dito? Okay, your cells slow down. Okay. And then, mas lalo pa siya nag-i-slow down but continue to regenerate even 60 and above. So every second, we produce new blood. Tama? 7 days maturation of blood and 120 days bago mapapalitan ang buong blood natin na luma. Alright? So you have to continue taking Himuhim 120 days and every day. So blood circulation, it takes place every second, 60 seconds in our whole body. And because of the battle inside in our body, there is what we call the activation of the innate immune system, the natural killer cells, the macrophages, the activations of the adaptive immune system, the cytokine, until sasabihin ng body mo, yay, panalo tayo, di ba? Na-eradicate natin lahat. But there are times, and most of the times, if we are exposed to fatigue and stress, hindi po nangyayari yon. Tayo ang natatalo, right? That's why we acquired a lot of diseases. So, and here's the good news. Okay, Himuhim was developed to strengthen our shield. Ayan. Kaya dapat mag-take everyday ng Himuhim, restoring vitality, protecting against oxidative stress, and rebuilding the immune system that we all depend on. So Himuhim was born from science for 8 years by the Korean Atomic Research Institute, or the KRI, worked to develop a formula that could strengthen our immune system. And from this research of KRI, it is partner tayo with the Colmar Beauty and Health to manufacture the product. When it was first commercialized, yung Himuhim, maswerte tayo. The price was 12 times higher. Imaginein mo, multiply mo si 5,100 times 12, ganun kamahal si Himuhim. But ngayon, we have to enjoy that today it is with a lesser price, right? Diba? Bumagba siya. Okay? So, but with Atomist global marketing, Himuhim become mega hit worldwide. So when we talk about Himuhim, we're talking about the product that backed by years of research. And I want to underscore that it is a product, okay, that is backed up by years of research. Yan po ang edge natin. Okay? With collaboration and proven global and with global impact. Right? So Himuhim is not just another supplement. It is backed up by 2 patents, supported by 35 published research papers. That's the kind of the scientist credibility that set it apart, right? So for 9 consecutive years, Himuhim as ranked was number 1 in the sales in the industry. Globally, okay, it has reached 2.4 billion cumulative sales, and today it is exported to 19 countries around the world. Okay. So when we share Himuhim, we're not only sharing the product, but we're sharing a proven solution. Again, underscoring proven solution, trusted by millions and recognized worldwide for its ability to strengthen immune system and restore our vitality. Okay. So another milestone that makes Himuhim stand out is an anti-doping certification. So what does it mean? Okay, it means Himuhim has been tested and certified under the Informed Choice Program, a global standard to ensure that products are safe for consumption by world-class athletes. Di ba po ang athletes, bago po sila pumunta sa laban nila, ay in-extra ka ng blood. Okay, to test kung they are free of drug. Okay, but they noticed that in this research na nung nag-take sila ng Himuhim, okay, they have negative drugs in the blood. See? So that is the anti-doping. Okay, next. Okay, Himuhim is more than just a supplement. Okay, it's the first in the individually recognized ingredient in the South Korea proven to support both immunity and fatigue improvement. So, human application test shows that it is very powerful and it has a powerful result. The NK cell activation, the immune cell activation, and now even fatigue reduction. So, meron na siya ulit, fatigue reduction. This means Himuhim doesn't just protect, it energizes, help us fight our illness, while restoring our vitality. Okay, so that's why it becomes Atomist's flagship product that is trusted worldwide. Again, trusted worldwide. You can take a picture on this. Yeah. So Himuhim is powered by 3 key herbal ingredients, each with a long history in traditional medicine. So Angelica is known for promoting the blood circulation, for pain reliever, boosting immunity, while the white peony, valued for energy recovery, liver detoxification. So maganda siya pag may liver disease because of the liver detoxification. Cardiovascular health, lahat ng sakit sa puso. Synovium officinalis, supporting hormone balance. Kapag meron kang hormonal problem, you take this blood formation. Lahat ng sakit sa blood, leukemia, anemia, lahat na yan. And even calming stress, right? So together, those herbs from the unique Angelica mix extract, act that makes the Himuhim and effective in strengthening immunity and restoring vitality. So these are the research that I would like to share with you na pag nag-take ka ng Himuhim at may diabetes ka, it has an anti-diabetic effect. Just continue taking it. Okay? So sino ang mga diabetic dito? Please take this Himuhim. It has the capacity to normalize our immune cells. And it has 3 published papers, 1 domestic patent, and 1 international patent. Ang hirap po kumuha ng patency. Ibig sabihin, hindi siya pwedeng gayahin ng kahit na sino. Another research here shows about anti-fatigability. So pag nag-take ka ng Himuhim, mapapansin mo sarili mo, healthy ka, di ba? Malakas ka. Para kang si Wonder Woman, di ba? Bionic man, yes. Because of this research that shows that it has an anti-fatigability. It has a fatigue improvement. And this study also shows, ito yung maganda sa study, this shows that it is hepatotoxicity. And what does it mean? Ibig sabihin, hindi masisira ang liver nyo. Okay. There is a synergistic effect. Pag sinabing synergistic, mas lalo siyang mai-strengthen in improving your immunity and recovering from fatigue if you take Himuhim plus Hongsangdam. Kaya po ako, pag alauna na, nagtitake na ako ng Hongsangdam, lalo na pag nasa hospital ako, para lalong mag-recover, hindi ako mukhang fatigue, di ba? Kaya nga sabi sa akin, ba't ganyan ang niya, parang aligaga sa buhay. Ayaw na nila akong tumatayo kasi sobrang active ko daw. Diba? Okay. So this is another experiment that says that it has an antioxidant effect. So lahat tayo kasi nagkakaroon ng antioxidant effect. Yun yung naghihina ang immune system mo. And that's natural. But kahit nanghihina siya, okay, pag uminom ka ng Himuhim, mabubus ang immune system mo. Yan. So this is another effect. Yung lahat ng namamaga sa inyo. Okay, whether inside, outside, at makikita mo sa labas ng body mo, it has an anti-inflammatory effect. And this is a research study also. So another synergistic effect is that when you take Himuhim, okay, plus the noni juice, okay, it has an anti-inflammatory properties. Mas malakas po. Okay? Yan. So another is, eto gustong-gusto ng lahat. Okay? It has an anti-obesity. So tignan nyo yung, kapain nyo yung katawan nyo, yung mga visceral fats nyo, di ba, nandyan? Okay? Yung mga fats nyo, accumulations of your fat, mga adipose tissue. If you take Himuhim, unti-unti rin po siyang matutunaw at mawawala. Alright? And that's based on research. Okay? So maganda ba? Yes. Alright. So, according to the Science Citation Index, okay, Himuhim papers are high quality. This is a peer-reviewed articles published in journal. This is serving as a benchmark for research and academic evaluation and professional promotion. So that, di ba yung unang inano ko sa inyo, 35 research paper, but now, as of September 2024, meron na po tayong 36 research paper. Yan, di ba? Okay, so why take Himuhim? Because we want to, basa, awaken our exhausted immunocytes. And when we take Himuhim, ano mangyayari sa atin? We will have healthy immune system. So, Himuhim is recommended, kanino? To all. Yes. Right? So, this is a Himuhim 5 keywords. Improvement of immune function. Okay, so fatigue improvement. You have the polyphenol. It protects you from ultraviolet rays. Kaya sinabing, polyphenol. Right? So, what else? It has polysaccharides. Your sugar now, hindi siya mag-i-stay sa body mo, but it will be converted into energy. And it has an anti-doping certification. And this is the pentagon of our Himuhim. Right? Okay. So another booster is the Atomy Vitamin C Color Food. This has 7 types of color food. Pag nilasahan nyo po siya ng lasa, mango, right? So it is 110 milligram powder. Why 110? Bakit hindi 500, Ma'am Nori? Ang 100 po is just the requirement of a Filipino. A regular Filipino. The 500 is only given to the Caucasians, yung mga malalaki. Alright? The mga Caucasians. And for those who are suffering to colds, cough, and 2,000 or 1,000 to 2,000 milligram for those suffering with cancer. Alright? O kaya yan ha, sasagot nyo na. Okay, is vitamin C essentials? Yes, tandaan nyo ha, ang vitamin C po ay nakukuha sa ating kinakain. Okay, hindi po kaya kailangan, it is not produced by our body. Okay, it is, you need to eat a lot of vitamin C. Alright? So, saan siya makikita? Sa fresh fruit, vegetables. Right? Okay, and wag niyong i-overcook because it destroy the vitamin C. Okay? So, sabi ma'am, gusto ko mag-take ng 1,000 milligram. Di mo naman kailangan. Ang gagawin lang nun, ilalabas lang po yun sa urine nyo. Kasi whatever is required of the body, yun lang po ang i-absorb niya. Okay? So 110 is very important. Vitamin C, okay, also maintain connective tissue formation function. Pag nagtitake kayo ng vitamin C, yung collagen nyo po na production, okay, dadami. So yung mga joints nyo mawawala. Okay, it supports your healthy bones and as well as your blood vessels, pinatitibay niya po. Helps in the absorption of the iron. That's why in the hospital, what we do is we combine vitamin C as well as iron. Okay, because it also has synergistic effect to strengthen and absorption of the iron, especially for those who are suffering from anemia. It protects cells from radical, mga radical cells. So, it acts an antioxidant to reduce oxidative stress. So, pag bumababa yung immune system natin. Okay, so this is a study in California in 1990s that they found out that in the US, ang daming mga obese, right? Ang daming hindi healthy. So what they did is to have a campaign of eating 5 times a day food. And these are the 5 fruits, vegetable per day. Okay, so eto yon, yung white, black, yellow, red, and green. Okay? And in our Atomy, we have 7 color food. Mamaya ko sasabihin yon. Our Atomy vitamin C has the phytochemicals. It protects us if we are exposed to radiation. Paglabas mo dito, exposed ka ba sa radiation? Hindi. Exposed. Okay? So, lycopene, anthocyanin against cancer din po siya. Okay? Chlorophyll for the green use and carotene for the yellow use in plant. So, actually po, ang vitamin C natin can prevent us from having diabetes mellitus, neurodegenerative disease, yan, yung mga Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's, yan. Kaya mag-take kayo ng vitamin and it has 7 essential nutrients following vitamin, minerals, and carbohydrates and protein. So, ito po yung ating vitamin C. It has 7 color food. Okay, the black is for the digestive, heart, and blood regulation. The green is for healthy bones, immune system, and anti-cancer. The red prevents stroke, which is very important now and very prevalent now, especially in our ER, and daming na stroke. Reduce heart disease such and cancer, and the white is anti-inflammatory. And our vitamin C composed of 7 color food, and these are mango, sulat nyo, strawberry, cranberry, pomegranate, pumpkin, mandarin, and chicory. Okay? So, here, they are our 2 unique products, the Himuhim and the vitamin C color food. And for me, especially Himuhim is more than just a product. It's truly an answer to my prayers, a gift that must be shared to everyone. So I myself, a living testimony of this God-sent product, Himuhim. For years, I suffered greatly from cancer. Mukha ba akong cancer patient? Hindi, di ba? But today, with God's grace, I stand before you as a cancer survivor. I am cancer-free. And I declare with gratitude with God that has sent me from sickness by continuously advocating the life-changing benefits of our Atomy products. Sharing our Atomy products with others has now become my found mission. So to bring hope when there is no hope. That's why I talk with all cancer patients to give health, healing, and success to every person that I meet. I just want to share with you that it always takes 65 muscles to frown, only 15 muscles to smile. So in order for you to reduce your fatigue, dapat po, lagi kayong nakasmile. If in case, kung 1 hour kayong nakasimangot, 24 hours po na mabagsak ang immune system nyo. So with that, thank you so much. I am Nori Magsingit, Sharon Rose Master from Fairview Lagos Center.